We are going to review top 5 best folding electric bikes. Let's get started. List number 1. Euro Mini Folding Bicycle. Choose from matte black, white, or yellow for this European-style bicycle frame. You'll find this bike is easily portable with its lightweight aluminum frame. The wheels are 20 inches, and the bike weighs 28.5 pounds. There are 7 gear speeds and a grip-style shifter for easy control. The stopping power is strong thanks to the alloy brakes. You'll find the saddle to be wide and comfortable with a magnet catcher to help hold the frame securely folded. What makes this bike stand out is the use of high-quality Shimano components. When folded down, the bike measures 27 by 31 by 12 inches. List number 2. RATTAN electric bike. The high-speed brushless motor powering this bicycle is a 48-volt and 750-watt geared motor. It'll achieve an impressive 28 miles per hour for a top speed. This will give you a range of 40 miles under full electric mode and 60 to 80 miles in assist mode. What makes this motor and battery system stand out is the high-efficiency design that gives you 50% more power. It also comes with several nice features, including front and rear fenders, headlight, tail lights, and a rear rack. The fat tires make it easy to ride this bike on any terrain and in all weather types. One drawback of this bike is that it doesn't handle hills well, so you'll need to pedal harder to accommodate. List number 3. Euro Mini ZIZZO Heavy-Duty Folding Bike. This electric bike is strong, with a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds. It has a strong build with an aluminum frame, 20-inch wheels, and weighs 28 pounds. Choose from forest green, coral, or black for the frame color. Making your experience more enjoyable is a genuine Shimano Tourney 7-speed gear system and grip-style shifter. The handlebar height is adjustable, making this bike comfortable for riders of all heights. You'll appreciate how durable this bike is with double-wall rims, multi-terrain tires, and a magnet catcher for holding the bike secure when folded. List number 4. Euro Mini ZIZZO CAMPO. The Euro Mini is a great little electric bike which is perfect for short-distance commuters or occasional hobby riders. You'll find this bike can be taken where you like with the smallest of effort as it's at only 28.5 pounds. This bike's frame provides the perfect amount of stability when being ridden as well as a super convenient lightweight design to be carried along. The lightweight aluminum frame of this Euro Mini is excellent to carry around but also even easier to fold. With one flick of a switch, you'll be able to fold your bike down in an instant, which means it's super easy for carrying into your home or office. List number 5. SCHWINN 14 Hinge. This electric folding bike stood out as the most stylish, unlike most other electric bikes which feature a hybrid or mountain design. This electric frame was very reminiscent of a Dutch bike with a nice sleek paint job and wide handlebars. This bike just provides a great easy-to-use model which includes, as we've mentioned, the frame of this bike model is really user-friendly and great for those wanting to keep a straight back thanks to the city bike design. But this model is also great for those who can't lift their leg high, as the frame is a low standover design. The small but sturdy 20-inch alloy wheels and lightweight aluminum frame make this bike super easy and user-friendly when it comes to folding it away. Even the pedals fold away for extra storage space.